Okay, hi everybody. So this question is asking us to take this function right here and describe what transformations took it from here to here. Now what's interesting about this question is this one already has some transformations in it. Well, it's got the one. It's got a three units up. Let's just take a look at what's going on here. What I'm seeing here, if I was to compare this to the original, like ignore the fact that there's a plus 3 here, just the absolute value of x, vertical reflection, horizontal stretch by a factor of a half. Okay, because remember, to get the x by itself, I would divide by 2. Horizontal translation 1 to the right, because to get x by itself, I'd have to add 1. And this represents a vertical translation 1 unit down from this one. But it wasn't this one, it was 3 up. Now, these two right here, the horizontal stretch and the horizontal translation, are not going to have any impact on this vertical translation here, but the reflection will. So will this. Now let's just think about this. You've got the absolute value graph, okay, which typically looks like this. I started with this thing 3 units down. It's going to look like this. The reflection comes before the translation, whatever that is here. So that's going to make this thing flip up. That's actually going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and it's going to look down like this. Okay, now, what has happened now is the function though, this function here suggests that this thing is down 1 from its original position. So that this point right here is actually down at -1. So that's a drop of 4. So what I've seen here, there is a vertical reflection that happens first. Flip this around here. Then there's been a vertical translation, okay, 4 down. Okay, there's been a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1/2. And then up here, there's been a horizontal translation 1 to the right. Okay, so you got to be really careful about the transformations that I'm seeing here and how they affect the transformations that existed in the original function.